Hello everyone, welcome to SOFTECH. Today we are discussing about how to download and install SAP GUI frontend for Windows. Before you can configure and use the SAP GUI, you need to download the software from the SAP Marketplace as per steps below. Step 1. Go to service.sap.com. to download SAP GUI 7.40 for Windows. Step 2. Enter user and password as provided by SAP. Step 3. Go to Software Downloads. Step 4. Choose Browse our download catalog. Step 5. Choose SAP Frontend Components. Step 6. Choose SAP GUI for yours OS. In this demo, we will select Windows. Step 7. Choose SAP GUI 7.30 Core, which is the latest one. Step 8. Choose Installation. Step 9. Choose Add to Download Basket. Step 10. Choose the download basket. Step 11. Choose your download and it will begin. Time to configure your GUI. Once the download is complete and you have installed the software, it's time to configure it. Step 1. Click on Create the button as shown below. Step 2. Click Next button. Step 3. Fill the server details. Connection type. Custom application server. Particular one host. Description. Name of instance. Application server. IP address of remote application server. Instance number, which you can find from OS level. Go to user or SAP or SID. Here instance number is 00. System ID as per your setting which you have specified during installation time. Step 4. Created system will be there in the list as per shown below. Double click on the instance to log into a server. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.